Hi, Mark Cleghorn here, chatting about some of the new configurations to do with the Elinchrom kits. Specifically, we're looking at the RX11, the RX44 and the BRX 500 heads. Traditionally, they've come with the 66cm Portalites. 3 kits now have come combined with a 66 Portalite, as before, but now they've also introduced in the 56cm Portalite. It's the octagonal one. The real difference is the catch light within the eye. Slight difference in the shaping as the light falls on the subject and as it spills in the scene, but traditionally we're looking at more what the catch light does within the eye for the soft boxes. The kits also come now with a translucent deflector. This makes use of the little hole in all of the Elinchrom lights where you can slide the rod in and then instantly you're going to change the characteristic. For example, with the 66 Portalite, we can slide that in and then put the outer diffuser back on again, and that just creates a very, very soft light source. Beautiful, in fact, for portraiture. Remember, a softbox by its own design is supposed to be as close to the subject as you can get it. Then when we use the deflector in the likes of the Octa light and you remove the outer diffuser fully, you've created an instant beauty dish style of lighting, which is great for actually all types of women, especially if you're into fashion portraiture, giving that little bit more edge to your shadow transition. Let's not forget, we can use any of the softboxes without any diffusion if you're looking for more of a harder edge quality to your flash, especially if you're looking for that sharper shadow. Also in the kits, it now comes with the Skyport Plus. This is the trigger that is seated onto the camera hot shoe itself that now has an extended range, so you can shoot with a greater distance away from the lights themselves. So this doesn't mean necessarily the light is further away from the subject, but it could be the camera further away from the light source itself. And the Skyport Plus also has extended range of frequencies compared to the old Skyport. So whether you decide to go for the D-Lite RX1 kit or you go to the full pro version of the BRX 500 kit, you can be assured that all the accessories work together. You know what? That's why I love Elinchrom.